Mwanchumulilia Ondizi TV kukwani bene ase entunda yende entunda ya gatatu ime yomoroberio wensakia ase omugeni n'abayinko batebikorwa bwakete chinsa chiamambi abeire bono gagwikirana ime ye studio astorabe tokosanga amange anemono ninkirichiko ligoteba nabo igoro yoboteneneri nabo kumulekera obokoreri ase chiserekali chichi county nabega usanga na intwe amange asigo Mwanchumulilia Ondizi TV nabo kwendera gusanga na intwe gwetera ase omtandao of Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo gwetera ase omtandaito www.ndizitv.net asogotobwatia chinsa emerongo ebere na inye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki namba ito SMS 0792192834 sangana intwe ekerengere likiao ase emambia ya abono nabo igo tumanyinga ninkeke oganeti tobeto kwanda nabo igo mamboli ya onaralia nabo igo nabo usangana ekerengere likiao anemono igoro ya trabe tukusanga naro igoro emambi ya abono wakile buya wakile. Karibu sana ime ya Ndizi TV na bila tokenga Mwanchumulilia Ondizi TV narokora ase entunde ntangani tumanyango amalieta ago ayaningo ngayokorobo koleri bwao nabo igo nabo kwanera bo igo enko ani ensemelia okurwa ase county ya Nyamira
edietaria na ngoro ku Philemon Mara PMI njeno mu wakili gongo practice richi ko Nairobi na wachia visitia jira Westlands and nimbwate branch Narok na Kisii igongo Nyamira County as a county township ward yorende na gokira sogo ikandis TV asenga kientangani kabisa ndaro najari tangani ande ninyege netenga chinkwana turakwane chichi kobechi yobasemia tutokonya
ere buja kigima karibu sana ime ya Ndizi TV tara manyango asense meri yeli chiko mangana kiko cha kwara mulekero sembi na kiebyo go cha kwara tenenera anemono ase chinga kisiro ne tobokori bobo wakili
njebi nango kora igo ande a commercial lawyer na dengo kora ande conveyance nega siyogo deal nature property and good presenting the bank na ande na kora arbitration mediation money inarega singo para ndio para criminal yes
akoranga aba wakili amokora mangana arengete biasara ntu cyobarra matuko mono ko bwatekana nabandi akora mangana criminal nabo iga mangana yarengete chindemero inkiye ko geranga ino to ikobarra matukama to ikobarra busase media buse amatukama ange sana
maede commercial igego dili na mangana biasara mono about private entities as opposed nevi criminal egoro konyora criminal is more of public nevi so that is where that I correct anamano but we are very important also
ere buya kigima senge nchoma etekero monto nabwate nibo ya ento wati kampuni chi nene kigima chibwate enibo bwendrate kolindwa kigima ase tukuchakira ekerenga kimambi ya lero tokoranga abasai bagwe soki vene nabo igokurwanirira obwene bwabo ase ense eito ya Kenya inkira abego kwanira anemono igoro yake golie kigia Gen Z goikera bono iga inkira abego kwanira igoro kurobeka noko kwabo
amangana a constitution yeito netoete osibore wo express ne amangana agents bakolire na amangana mayasana because igabona they are doing a constitution yegoteba and amangana baokwana na amangana maya na ande eserekali nonde bwensi wikaya tegerere gekogera asenga kientambe tuabere togokora ebintu country yaito kuna togokora lakini tutaikubwati tutaigotegerera mona abantu ekekori ekegeke igo I support very strongly amandamano bona bagokora nechi point bona bajibekire mbuya sana because akegorie kegeke abana baito basomire basomire amasomo amaya bale as a generation iri technological sound ubwabuna ntweka twakinete igekero bagukwana ikatotegerere toiguna kibagukwana.
Ere buja kigima twa koranga murebwense Dr. William Ruto bira wikirani egatie birenga biri baligetie kurende nigo bandate kurubikana eurochenga bono kibaote bang murebwense batabirenga obunire ekamati y'abawaziri omurebwense obeire gakora monchiria anemono obere wancha lichiko liya IEBC bono nigo bandate kurubikana eurochenga ninki kendate bado kegerete bandate kurubikana na nonyango murebwense obere akoro kinga na bwatu wanchira okuya goko gochiase bare
isi karoko make demands na wako make demands 100%. Lakini kwa nyoranga 100% yetera ikeraniwa na ande unatuma ite Kenya the moment uko relax ya kende bintu bigo tereribira na se biarengi igo as a step the president ya idire go dismiss some of the cabinet secretaries na IPC act go sign into law negente ya patiyo teraisana ko they are raising other very fundamental issues about there is corruption na bantu abagochoru ikabachoru abantu bari barachigo koregas. There is a lot of wastage. The government, the government, enke, egere expenditure kebegeke. Nebinte binge bandrete biriwari igete. So, njai support bagenderere. Lakini goike kerase togori naki some demands injinyari kane. Yes. For example, we know what the president again. Ikintara iwaga te bangeringa a president a deputy again. Back again. Na kiesa serikali yako gendera because constitutionally a president and a deputy baruo a speaker na ere kubwatera agara tuchiko ndogo cho. Na ande na rorire some other demands in our parliament. Some members I think in our parliament should go. So if you have the president and deputy going, ne parliament again, how do we move forward from there? And I say you, I think the we have, but there is one point that I address. President to go, deputy to go, parliament to go. What next? Yes.
Na bona arochinga negatia maboli no inomora ibo mobwazi myora ila udinga beteka kuboli tebanga inabera bekwireranga twabere tugotwara obotineneri osikotineneri wa ogotinenwa naba nyanyimbo bali baba na jeshi tumanyanga ekero chinse kiri cyabere cyotineneri naba na jeshi ngakyo cyikira yaba
mchibunango so mari chiko a constitution yeito ya 2010 na kore provision ase abana jeshi ba take over serikali. Kenya is a democracy. Article 1 here the power belongs to the people. I mean abana jeshi they are also people. So it's a constitution here to be framed to put that kind of provision in the corrupt CP abana jeshi ba ile na ande chinse okurigereria abanajesi bairire. That's always a problem because you have abanajesi mbabu at legitimacy of the people. So bago so ego bagambe buna bakugamba and we will be in big problems. Ekaro kurigere chinse chindi chianyoro bokombuno. Yes.
Asikolende twatokoranga nigo ewiki eye aba saebeke koliga jenisa tebanga guikatura maiga ustura kwani aba governor tukwani serikali chichi county ndo tokora aba saeba korobeka na wikachi obisi chichi county aha na rochinga e county Nyamira ereye moyabo aba saemba beto bakorobeka na bakagania gosoa asabisi chomo governor bakababo igoko bakogania gosoa ase abisi chi e bunge ye county ya Nyamira county assembly ya Nyamira tima etinga inkiro tikyabere ko ire aba saegwe so kibene tari Nyamira yuka county chinde chonsi tokoranga basababere bagwe so kibene na boyo kumurikira abo kali serikali ingi kyabere kwiranga abasabwa sokia na boyo kumurika serikali iki
sababu area ya Gereta bagachugo wesokia as a national government. I think they are the same reasons. There is corruption, there is incompetence. As a county when at the international government. So they are the same reasons. Like in the end, you see the structure of our government, we have national and the county. So any problem where they go, international government, it has to devolve vacancy. So it is what I can call a collateral attack as a national and the county government to deal with same problems. Yes.
Ekerukuliria ase ekera basaka bwa so kibene na kumulikira bokoreri bwe serikali ye county tubwate abantu wenete kumulikira bosibaire chinguru nimataba abakenya babwate chinguru kubata neri chikorende abakenya aba mbabete bagochora abantu barabe bako bakonya anemono aso kumulikira obokori bwe serikali county wataba MCA omo senator aiwikira bono yekarokoranga abasaba bwa so kibene bono bagochaka komo serikali county arochinga abaraye bacholire bakore mirimo yabo
akarogori constitution yaito igere I can describe a constitution yaito igere were the two levels there is national and the county with the distinct but integral duties and responsibilities. So this way, I think you're as a county government. A county government, it is a machinery as a constitution here very proper. Ntobugate MCAs, ntobugate senator, ntobugate governor, and there is government, and there is executive. So we have actually two arms. We have the legislature county government, the county assembly. Togatwara serikali ye governor ye made up of county executive officers na senator. So kulingana na constitution ye begete egazi ye senator is very clear, egazi ye governor is very clear, egazi ye GMCA in the county assembly very clear, and there is no contradiction at all. Yes.
Okay, ere buya kegima singe chikobero kwanera igoro yemeremo yomo MCA emeremo yomo senator se faide umulelia on this TV maitembaro yanyolenga bagete chikora batamaitinga emeremo yabanta babonsi nerie eto chakere yango emeremo yomo MCA nerie
omo MCA inero the lowest level of representation. MCA they are elected by people as a ward. A county government ne were devolved functions. So MCA gazi yae number one no could represent abantu baria be ward yae as a county assembly. Okay, and as it debates aso go pass bills agere what create issues you affect ya abantu baria represented. Point yende oversight. MCA na era maiso yomananchi because a governor na bugate serikali. So these are the people bakolanga onye budget yaros finances tiavera allocated na bago tipeti budget budget. I can give an example. Onye jene MCA ye ward A finance yani a budget ya etiu allocated to my ward, either for a road, was it dispensary or anything. Egasi ya no korana ki chibese chibuna chiaitetiwe. First of all, chiaveire procurement ya koliruya yo kolegasi. Because it is the work of the county government, the executive, to do those things. Onye contractor ya iruegas chibese chia orkodiregas wakanirwe para ya veire abana inchi waisaniki negasi ya koliru yobona ringo korofa oversight of what is happening in my ward. Onye para ya koliru bube usichibese chibirwe usichibese chiangire koba dispersed for projects in my county. That is what now as an MC I have to do. Korange abantu bane all the services. Yes.
Ere buya kigima ase ensemo elia yogokora bosukumulekera obokorirwe serikali ye county asinge nchondo chenga ayene county ya Nyamira koru ngakiurabe gukwanira aba MC wikira bono gababere bahwikira nimirimo yabo anemono asukumulekera obokorirwe serikali ye county. This word is gongwake lakini digante megwira nidia. Maetogo tebanga bonsi banyali bakolire gose mbarakora egora kere MCA nebuate ward yaye. But at the county level bonsi ne GMCA were represented a county ngima. There are legislations chibwene tagokorwa as a county. These legislations iko chiko enable a county a progress. Only some counties na wako nyoramba buate ama chiko bara osetia maya ako enable like revenue corrections. And other laws chiko enable services chiko rubia. So I think as a mangana legislation tindo jinga ba call it a match. Number two, as a mangana oversight, karogotegeraba na inchi, na boko rang oversight na onebuate challenge, because there are projects, chifereti, chibese chira allocated, na ende ina regas ye GMCA, there are some health centers, chitabuati no ana mario. So as an MC, when they county or the Angry a minister for health, we account. Which as a committee are responsible. Why is this happening? Besa jitai, when Giabeta dispersed. Why the tabu at Yamario? So I think on average, na wako rang para koragazvia because you have an engine by sanigate. Ere buya kigima kurende kubwatekana ninchira ense ekora wa okora kananga okubwaterana nkubwenderete ko baroro ase chinsagi isato chiri cha serikali ntubwate ense melie kigambero judiciary ense mo elia ya serikali bose executive nabo igo ebunge nchira kieye anemono tukumulekera okalira serikali chichi county chinsagi chonse chibwenderete kubwaterana kurende batali kwenda mamincheri chikobose going in bed babere bakumoche kwenda getanda use bolere na maybe with that the county government njera kiba bwenete kubwaterana batali go compromise na boy go connecting ababere bago chaka okore ibintu asinchitari ndoke
like when anateba there are two levels so the antebe level ya county government a judiciary error is for all the word judiciary for the county, judiciary for the national government. What we have is a government and a legislature as a county. So, Okobuaterana as a county is very important because a governor nere president, muke president, ye county. Nere Obuate serikali. Ne county assembly yeruke parliament lakini ye parliament ye county so okobwatera na weka kobororo ne senator igare senate maybe I'll talk about his duties later. Lakini goiko kubwaterana because egavana bintu mbire takore onye mbira etigwe county assembly. Like a budget goiketiwe egere a county government yenyare gutumia jibesirichia chabira roketed. So ekaro kubwaterana koro in community nga, if I use your word, you go to bed together. Na mumoko bwatera ndakini umanya ntwe ito oversight you into a maiso yo mwananchi asogokora ebintu biriyo koreta atoko bichunguza tuaranga mbiye bire kulingana na magani ya mwananchi. But the moment yo konyoranga amore amoiga anyore speaker MCS egava na amore amo then mwananchi na erebweko because talk oversight you want to more come or tell you what to do. And as you can see, a problem to what even national government because GCS just they were fitted by parliament. A period president Yanga was signed, it was passed by parliament. Why? Because executive married a national assembly. So na boko na county the governor ya made a county assembly. So county assembly when you are taking oversight when you are independently. Yes.
All right, ere buya kigima askolende ngochore kwanyoranga okungusana kwamba kore korokana aroro turamulekera no eboigo asibuni county area ya Meru. Tabeta koranga aba MCA babire bakungusana na ba no mugabana ase ntunda yakane inkiroje kwirira okungusana konga bunuko anemono buna ase county buneri.
Ase birengere biane. Because Mtore in touch, anaba wakili wadi wako kore bina ororo they are my friends. E problem enene ere Meru ase birenge biane buna kuriri. E governor igare independent. Independent yeringa taiko sera. Tiganti mieri edari togo tumia taiko sera GMCA egere chikore unatagite. One of the one they got us and they got to put that is why one in around the Agatatu and the Bakumire Senate. Because they get around the Chidia Senate, Chile, check it 2 times. G. So actually, as if a governor Meru is a victim of doing a job independently. Yes.
Nchera kiyo mugavana arabega go ikiranio bokoreri bwaye lakini atali konyoranga maite konyororenga sometimesekarogote makorege ntekironge bantu mbali kogokiwa nchera kiyo mugavana arabega go ikiranio bokoreri bwaye lakini rende oba gako enekinga noena makongwanga buna gako muchira obeire gago ikiranio bokoreri bwaye
dana ateba power belongs to the people. Enjera yoke governor era nyore chinguru aso gasi yaye no gasi no bwegenu na ndo ko involve abana inji na boroko koranga egasi yana ne transparently because ye karo mwana inji baisa negete negasi yokora igogono you are with the people you are with your employer because the employer no mwana inji lakini yonyore ngo kolegas bananchi bamanyeti bayiskando ebuja bona abo you are on your own. Yeah.
Asinge njoto batokoranga chisi keruhurira rwego account nyambira njabe tokonya rumu swada onga bunoyo chikaunti chinyinge konyoranga mugaba natarakora no ematuko make lakini rende ebina byachire aba MC baligete ko murusi abisi nto batokora mapendekezo gako bekwense munga emyaka nerigetieme nebwendetement tumeke igarende no nyanga mundu acha kikina giachikira matuka rasukirake timating akerengere linkire kia alichi ko bunarire bono iga ainoisa negete na rose amonchuri make nabonete abega okoro irinde ko nekinga no naba governor aba nkoranyora bale chinga kichoko yana kibanda tenemero.
I think amatuko yani chinga kyo chisaine in fact and jire in excess ekero kurigie kerogo kerogo kyo bugavana kerogo kyo ba MP kerogo kyo ba senator kerogo kende gionsi to gotenera itukori maigota ebenga nintagetekero abo konyoranga you are mentally prepared na ande no bwate umupango so anya kwabeire governor 5 years ande akora biana endo e one another 5 years yona ande wate bana ndo mentu another 5 years 15
yani minetinga anene mono chinga kichiri choko tema kumurusia bisi tulochegere 6 months timatinga mbali bali kurompendekeza mentu miaka amatuko makerinde una meru tulochinga baga emeti nyetano ne meka era ende bachakiro yondo
eyo ejite bwende comment because onye totebe meru ore na ata county babwate sababu ingia yokumurusi because a county is a smaller unit it's not like a country because you rigererie omuda we president no we governor njirengai yokumurusi igonje I think amatukaya aya 6 months na isaine because it is a smaller unit na ndo mente uze 1 year onye no mangana asarikira agusarika mono
Alright. Umwanchumuliri on Dizzy TV netwende kusanga nomo wakili Philemon Murara apiemi oyobera otumanya amange anemono igoro yeri chiko na wako notubwatia wetera sumtandaito Facebook Dizzy TV News Digital asensemeria ya YouTube Dizzy TV News na wetera asumtandaito www.dizzytv.net Nuja Klaus nyakesa watching live Victor Omondo Miyenda tuned in from Nairobi West Aigatin Komocha Ndochenga Samson Ongaga Kiango Riyabu watching omusori bwesu from Nakuru Ndochenga na bange bandat kuboti moroberio Wensakia ase emambi ya abono unilo moja Januari miyomoroberio Wensakia Ndochenga Vincent Menda Rigoma present Ndochenga egatia banga ndikubati murobero bwensake nayo igo mwanchu muri Dizzy TV sanga 90 wetera as inamba ito SMS igere 0792192834 sanga 90 as emambi ya bono tumanyinga ngayaiga anda tubwati ya korua anabo igo sanga 90 tabanga sensemeria ya WhatsApp mbarabya bere tukwatu moroberio bwensakya emambi ya bono handoche voigo korwanya ngusu omoigwa bwaba kinami is following the show egati ya bange bande tukwatu moroberio bwensakya ase emambia ya bono ntatoske asense mo yende akarokuliria anmono igoro yensemo elia yomo senator nga yegego ikera bono umo senator oba gako irali bagalia bene aso kumulikira obokoreri bwe serikali ye county senge nchaba msembaire emeremo yaba kumulikira as emeremo ya serikali ye county bono umo senator nga yego ikera bono chake emeremo yae
a senator umo senator is a very important component yet for government. Egas yobo senate, a senate. Igere legislative powers. Jogo deal with the matters devolved. When upon us devolved functions, the main ones so far is agriculture and health. Those are the main ones. So, egas ye senator, noko rosia machiko, with other senators, egere amekli devolution ye work, and they post the devolution. A senator has to do oversight. Before we go to oversight, egas ye senator, no kori chibesa. Ba kore endo kirego kwa appropriation bill, egere chibesa. Chiru consolidated fund chigenda se county egere chichikokonya programs che ye county so a senator they were serious function ya oversight ego aronyo kwa rele chibesa kosene billion che achire county yao it is your business koranga chiwese chuna chiande county chatumikire na chibwenerete na kia senate bwenerete okora number 1 chiwese karo chiachire county mchiri gosoka paka county ya rosirie epiri une ya kibusiko a budget yani what you call it finance bill a kind of finance bill na chiwese bona chiranse gutumeka so no kurigere rina ki a budget na kiaro osigwa in terms of allocation HMCA na jiro renga in terms of allocation these resources have been fairly allocated in all wards umanya kurigere renga okay jabira allocated jabira dispersed na kichiatumeke so a senator na MCAs na buo amaiso y'umwananchi asokoranga chibese chiatumeke bia and everything is done fairly so it plays a very big role and iji gondi moyate chinguru chogo someone the governor and even the ministers and deal with them at the senate level so a senator nebuate chinguru chinyinge sana as oversight yes
ere buya kigima ndo abatukunga egachi ijabara ibako mocha amo senator we county Nyamiranga taraba gagwikirania obokoreri bwa yabanda batebanga nabwendere to bagagwikirana ase bunge ye county assembly ali ora ikaransa mo nabarabu bagako baorokelinga kibabwendete gwikirania usigo kora machiko tima tinga kerengere kiao ngirikiki urengane
una nateba CMCs na senator iyo bakorera sia so we come to at a time ne bana we karanso ororo there will debate some crucial bills I go wata wo manyo bonene egere mo buatera na se birengereri na se ukobaguide egere mo koro oversight yebia the moment a senate etari ko work in MCAs oversight will not work yes.
All right. Ere buya kegima ase kulinde ekarukuliria obokoreri bwa senator barabeire ase county ya Nyabiranga kiora abe gokwana obokoreri bwabo.
Okay. Sia mangana na bananchi ba ukwana. And logically na bokoreri kwa ranga there's a problem. A problem in the sense eringa Auditor General of the Republic of Kenya ekarachi bestia tumekire nguruare report ase chitumegete bobe otebanje tumegete bobe ase birengere biane a senator we carry this report because one yengo kworokiera aiga anjibire anjikorera bia so chi report ejibuna chia chire miaka yonsi indo jinga seriously maybe nje ndaka manyeti say this report are very acted upon as number 1 number 2 tindo jinga ase miaka yonsi a senator chia beiro ne CMCA babwatera ndiyamo asogo korega sia oversight Loko nyoranga either they are fighting or abusing each other. Na ande ase birangere biane. Mwananchi wikawa manyanga sikiyokora. Onya kore a senator. Na bane birero kwaenda. Noko tebanga ase gaziana yobose kwanze gaziana yobose senator ni. Egasi yana yobo senator na bongo kora iga na bongo kora iga egera na bananchi bamanyenga egasi ya wengi oya na MCA egasi yane ni na ndi nabona yakolire iga na ndi nabo tubugateranete because when na tebo mo senator no MCA they are supposed to work together and nabo tukubugaterana iga nabo tokorete iga ariya bananchi bakumanyanga abarayi abato turigete okora baregas Yorende answering your question, tindo chinga point ye chibere chiakolirwe ase miaka devolution ya beira ase Nyamira County.
All right, ere buya kigima ase ekero kuba gukurigireria obokoreri eyunyamira county yoka na muno ndai turabeka nonya turamurikira ense engima ya Kenya aba senator maitemba bunge ya senate njabetege kubekwa ensemo bakaegwa emereme menge tugwate emeremo yokorosi gati amachiko ali aringede serikali chi county nabo igukumurikira obokoreri gwe serikali county betokora ba governor bagoikirana obusio bwechi bunge chiria chechi senate abakonyi baba governor abayikirana asense melia ebunge ye senate abange babeire bakurusi mbaro barusiwe mbale babeire bagotigara asebiro ekuruguriri ebunge lya senate ase obuagare jabere wikirani obokoreri bwaye ose korabe goko ba magisi ochakera mo wika 10 yorabe goko babeka korua ebunge ya senate yebekwa abisi
ase tigankwanera aso koruski chigavana chiri chimotion chiaitiwe impeachment as over 10 na bonko ba about 6% 6 out of 10 ayane na Russia na rioko langa za jinde na bo a county ego tuara very good grounds bamu impeach wike senate siasa yaso siasa yechi political parties yaso for example I give an example ngwalo jibuna siaya for example okola magoso na rengo lakini asingi ya renge this UDA and Asimio omokoreri yori a deputy akabaspead naenda senare ogoika kwaranga fairness ngokorwe origererie for example una amangana ya bete kisi county ya deputy governor ntu arigererie tichons buna ma allegations richiarenge na bokoranga amagoso na rengo na senate act accordingly igo 6 out of 10 because of politics. Yes.
Okay, ere buya ke gima asense melia yokorosia machiko alengeta chi serikali chichi county aronga giyo magis kiyo rabe goko bana boyiko kumurikiro bokoli bu serikali chi county
asa machiko akaro boriyeri korwe senate ya karoseti asa mangana registration bararo machiko man and bunabono this is a new government, this is a new model of government. It get a lot of guidance in terms of legislation. This rapses talk in terms of governance, and streamlined. So the one legislation bara mono, and another thing, the bara fight this space because any legislation in the National Assembly that touches as a mandate, yes, Senate, was a devolved functions. But to a chance in a debate that particular piece of legislation. Because you really want to like a budget, yeah, finance bill. You see, finance bill touches counties. So in my view, angamba bugate angaba fight it so hard. But to are say asamangana finance bill. By the court, bakore mano, egere tiny put nero, ekonyense, asamangana like finance bill. So I think they need to do more. So out of 10, I can give them 5%.
Ere buyaking mandochinga Ezra Morarate watching live my mentor, leader and senator 2027. I love listening when articulating wisdom. Honorable Ondieki Manganga atebanga thank you. Alafu ndo chenga boigo Justo Omitide watching live kutoka Kisii Sports Club igatia bali banda tukubwati murubiri wensa kia ase imambie yabono aso mwantu muliro ndizi tiene ko tebinga niko twende kusanga nere umwakili Philemon Murara apiemi oyo ende kusanga na intu amange ne mono ninki lichiko likoba ligoteba ko igoro yobo rai ane mono asiserekali chichi county na boigo kumulekera obokoreri bwabo ase chiserekali chiria chichi county amatukamaega emyaka ebere boso mwaka oyo moiga obago yetandatu kuigwa agati abandu atebanga bono asinge nyito chinga Kenya ndobwate chibesi nyingi ezotumika chibesi nyingi gwaka nabakulimero atebanga agati ebintu barigeti kurusigwa batebanga ebunga senate rusigwa ebirogo byo movement rep kerusigwa tima etinga ayoro chinga ekerengererie kingyora gukonera mwana enga mbaro barigetinga ebunga senate yabege kurusigwa asinge nchibaro chinga mbararo roguli chogwe ebunga senate
yitindi wanjerana ko gara rogori structure ye constitution like I said there are two levels of government the National Assembly igego kore exactly what the county government county assembly is doing as oversight and the legislations so obirete amo obviously there will be conflict. That is why the framers of the constitution, as much as possible, what they made was separate the devolved government and the national government, but they are intertwined, but acting kind of independently. So we see a Senate, obviously, devolution will die. No, historically, Kenya, my tegarent to about the Senate, to about the two chambers. Lakini ya karo a Senate ya bunetu to gatwara one National Assembly. Alituanya with all of these problems. A one constitution year 2010 and to solve. So Tindo Jinga it will be wise and it should not happen at all to do away with the Senate. The issue yeah, expenses, maybe the cost of maintaining Senate and two levels of government. Just we can do better. For example, the water 47 counties. But realistically, I can in other countries which have the same model of government. If you go to India, which is a subcontinent actually, I think they have 23 states because counties are like states. If you go to America, you know how big America is. I'm not sure, but they have like 30, I'm not sure the number, but they have a number. Yechi state kubwa what we have. You see, Kenya is not even the size of a state in India. It is smaller. So we got to enjoy kwa amalgamate these counties. I got to reduce the cost of managing these whatever counties. The way agencies are saying. Even over representation is a problem. Originally parliament, how many members of parliament do we have? Including those nominated, I think there are 357 thereabout.
The number of leaders? Yes,
and members of parliament in the National Assembly, including the nominated ones. Kogo just Senate, Kogo just a county assembly. So I think one other thing to bugata is over representation.
Una Kenya to bugate ebirogo 349 alafu chibunge tukanyoranga mbaro bakire chikura 290 from the constituencies. Our women rep 47 na we go tukatuara nominated representatives. Iko bako ikachimia Isato na Emerongo enena Kianda.
Yes, 349. So these are big number. And we are a small country, which is underdeveloped economically. So we better look at this expense of democracy. Is it worth it? Yes. Even words. The way, a word, the work of an MCA is not mine. You can have, realistically, if you get good workers, the whole of Nyamira County, you can have 4 MCAs who will work and work very well.
Mwisho utava 4 MCAs na ndeto bwate chibunge yenye igokera ebunge be award.
They can be amalgamated. Yes. Because I mean, it is self-representation, and that is why we will not come out of this problem to where their debts, because we live beyond our means as a country. One ayaka, every county, Mesara GMCA Chikori, Mesara county employees, including the governor of Akuria. If we reduce this, okay, the national government, from parliament, from government, we are spending a lot, but if we took out the especially the representation part of it, Naditora manage our affairs economically. But as long as the word is these big numbers, there's nothing. We not come out of where we are. In fact, we will keep sinking.
Erebu jaki mwantu mwururi Ndizi TV ni watu waneta kusanga nomo wakili Mheshimiwa Philemon Murara Apimi yenda kusanga na intu amange anamono ninkiri chiko liko teba igoro yobo teneneli wechi serikali chechi county na Boigo kubwatikana nga nensemo elia Boigo yo kumulekera bose oversight kumulekera obokoleri a serikali chechi county asa iwana bagano tobwate sumtana ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital enseme YouTube Ndizi TV News na bwetera sumtanda ito www.ndizitv.net namba ite SMS 0792192834 sangana into kerengeli kiao ase emambi ya abono ase bwe umonchumulele on Ndizi TV abuno torachikuchira aso motimoko omoke koline tokuirana ndobe tokoenda gusanga nere ase oboime na Boigo abatotebinga ekerenga kia ime county Nyamira nkerekie kiase exingi tobe tokomorra ase mega aratebinga Nyamiraro nkerenga kieke abwate asaba menyi we county ya Nyamira tobasa gusuka tobasa konyegera tetorasiomia ase chiduka.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi
Ayumwanju wegeta sini kia Ndizi TV na bogo tubwate wetera senjera yomtandao ya www.ndizitv.net ili kutuligirelia na Boigo usonje merubili ito chinse merongibiri na nye nyaranга na bogo sonje wetera sesi miao ya kuboko laptop smart TV ilio wegokie Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi Gendo tikerie kiya senseye buna komenya buyake bochenu na kiye kogeregeta seni kya Ndizi TV togokoretero muroberio bwo komenya okuya
bwo bwiga totebe abantu abanene boka kusenone muntu ndi bwensi nabaku
nonya muntu ndi bwensi nonya rero iga oiso konyora kwanyore head injury nabo konyoranga e problem ya gochire.
Sasa pneumonia ni infection yenye inakuja, si ni infection, ni kitu ni una breathe in hiyo bacteria, alafu ukitibiwa inaenda inaisha kabisa, so haiwezi kukua transmitted kutoka kwa mzazi ikienda kwa mtoto.
Kira ritko ria ijuma gochaka chinsebere goika chinsebere ne nusu chia mogoroba no semi wa manke igoro yobochenu ubwo mubiro
ekoro breast cancer screening inabo omuntu atakile korera every month siku ya 10 after period
ubwo bekara buko gotera turi kunyara gukora mirimo yabo na kiga kora togotena wabira umucando gakarekera bwagotire turi kunyara gukora imirimo dukwengo kora
umwana ataraike myaka 5 mutabwati kenda gwekorerere bweka nigagokorerwa so ibintu biri abareri bo mwana bakomukorera karo moke na bibigo shape future yo mwana yo gujumuto
okomenyo kuya kego chenu ritukuri juma chinsa ibere chabutuko no moiroroye ritukuri juma tatu chinsa isanu na ibere nenusu chiamugaso na Evelyn Osero
inyora obo chenu bo mobero na buo obonda bwao Kunazo simulizi nyingi na za wengi ambao wanahitaji msaada.
Baraza is one of the stories. Baraza alikuwa analala nje.
Anasema ati kila mtu atafute kwake, alafu mimi naambia nitafute babangu tuende kukula huko.
Alirudi kucheza mpira kama kawaida.
Anatumwagia maji, unapaswa vitu kwa nyumba. Alafu kuna siku nyingine hapa alikuja akafungia mamangu kwa nyumba, akaanza kumchapa.
Tazama Save Alive kila Jumatatu na Ijumaa saa 12:30 jioni ndani ya Ndizi TV. Tubadilishe maisha. Garnet Electronics niko bakoretire ehofa yiri guridio gusamura asabako koneri chiuva chifridge chitibye katibintu binde asedi guri ryensekegima niko bakonya ebintu buna bono chi vacuum cleaner chiri cyo gutumeka sinka nabo igo ni chire cyo gukorera ubonchirya mbabwata chi fridge chi bathroom scale chi cooker chi coil amone chi birika chiri cyo gutumeka estima chi microwave washing machines chi TV chi hoover chi vasi chi dispenser mbabwata bibarabara biri byugutira yani fans deep fryer blenders chi heater table banners n'ebintu bindi byo gutumeka estima buna bono TV guard wall brackets chi remote chi battery chi inverter chi socket igati ebintu binde ebinge boigo ntubuga tumurubyo oli papole pole asugwa nchiru wakanere bintu ngorangora wekagwa kolide inyura asomurubyiga amajiko n'amarago kubwatiwa niko bagutuka meyo mucyo kisi asenyombe manyekante buna Acacia Plaza ground floor Garnet Electronics iyi nidukore igene ase bintu biri bigutumika estima aserigurire insekegima omugusi ine kwabiri gukuriye schooling ya asura abikira umwana wo cingekero cingiye cy'amasomo bono school ya Sister Michaela Girls Secondary School yukutoka sebara ya Kisi Oyugis angena Cardinal Tunga High School Nosocho naryo lichibuliao niko babwati birasi biya ebigare asabana bagosomera buya ebyo bire bicenu asibuko babwati kinyomba cyo kurara cingiye nande cincenu kirage aboro kiko bagosoma se school ye niko bali abacenu nabo igo babwate cimbwa cingiye kirage abali bagosoma se school ye niko babwati bamanyi bigoro ase otaho bwenga mwano takonyora semi cingiya mbabwate computer lab eyurengiya asabana bagutumeka ci computer kwemanya nabo igo gosomera mbabwate boigo science lab asabana bagokora megirige science eyubwate bintu byonsi asumwana waranya rumanyi bwigoro niko babwate library yengiya ase bitabu bicire ebyo umano aranyore kisemi elio asaserie asajeiga nigaragiya akumwana mazingira maya yogosomera niko bwigo bagukina ci talent cyabana asibabwate scouts music group nemecheso ao
Patikana na sonio
yolenga aiga boigo nigo bagokinya omwana kebo Kristo asamange batari na kobakira esimi agirira maretu omwana anyora amasomo aigoro.
Supermarket ya Kisii Mart bono nigo bachakiro murubrio bwoko ni ebintu ki wholesale buna maguta yo karangira chinyeni obusie bwokuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto n'ebintu binde binge naboigo nkoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chimesa n'ebirugo office furniture ebintu byogutumeka jikoni buna cookers, table burners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines n'ebintu binde binge no bali miyo muchukisi opposite Kwanza Place ebare kogenda daraja mbili Kisii Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town.
Kisii Family Medical Center ni nyagatari yekerero iyo kurobo koreri au iryo koenekeria afyenkia ngoro barobo koreri buno koringorwa maiso na koena nebirore kurigereria maino obokoreri ibwe laboratory mbabwate duka ya mariogo boigongo korabare physiotherapy ngwanchira bare insurance chikobwatia NHIF Minute Liason Group Madson Group KCB area ya Cooperative Bank Teacher Service Commission CIC Insurance, National Police Wose Prison, GA Insurance, Resolution Insurance, MTBA, Trident Insurance, na Boigo Star Discovery Insurance. Nigo bago toka samaga chani usansoram barabare neste jenene yechigari egoroba entangani. Asamanke bakire simi weterase namba 0758770764. Kisii Family Medical Center. Your health, our responsibility.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi.
Onchomurelia Ondizi TV ngukwani bene ase ntunda yende ntunda ya mwelio ime yomoroberio bwensa kia ase mambi ya bono asante kusanga nomo wakili Filemon apiemi yubere watumanya amange anemono igoro yoboteneni ase serikali chechi county boigo tobetu kwanira igoro ninki richiko ligo kwanira igoro yemeremo eire ase balia bateneni chechi county na boigo bale kumulikira obokoreri ase serikali chechi county sanga intwe asumtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, na watera asumtandao to www.ndizitv.net ase emambi yabono wakili naende tenkwa demene ase ntunda yende ime jomoroberio wensakia toko enda asomotimoko omoke ntu abato kobolia liborio tokobolia liborio linenenga kirenga nkero bwate yakise sesengencho torochinga chinkumanchike ndrete isikaiga asaba menyibe county ya Nyamira baigule chinkumanga umwakili onabara chawali yekerogo gete sama tukabosyo nkyora abego kwanira igorengane
maete democracy ya Kenya is about people. So nanjeni wete I'm listening. Igo abantu kubara amwenga ekibago tebanakyo tingokana. Lakini asebono we focus yeito no koranga kitora sabu abantu baito ase capacity eliwere talira simo MP obe senator ose governor manye kusabu abantu you have to give back to the community asokonya igase nkwani eyo at the right time ntoyerigereria ekogera chikura tuwakorete 2 years ago miaka 3 netigarite bari bara obisi tugatora aba support bakore gasi engakiye chikura necheke tumanye ko mayama nakia abantu barengereire
Okay, ere buya kigima ase kolende kwabe otebanga ase capacity ya bose ase kelia nyasa usini na kerokyo bosase ke wango nyasa wikirania na kerokyo nigo andete konekinga ngokorerare nkirani orokoboko ase oruete bose ase society eri urete anemono account yimira inkibono gendrete gokora anemono ase okwirani okoboko ase ali ase oruete
the activity neji chiri nyingi ebindo manyete igogokora privately because there are many need cases unabona abana mbale ngo support bagosoma lakini to gotenera matango atebenga useti bia atebenga umwana olinje nkomosomi nje nkomosomi ekaruru sia community abokora need cases ani ukwa tebanga akaroko ruoko okonkomanya so there are many things toko involved nonya ase nonya bibarua ke akase nkonyara chikira yandi chunango etaiga nkonyara kabaga asijisi bichiri owa chinyinge na bokoranga this are need case wakonya without advertising as social needs no borwaire and all those things wakonya ida utaikuna gutangaza no andero ntubugate program in conjunction ne foundation yaba indi Nakuru to kwenda sironga tuchukua wheelchairs sanitary pads and other things so those are some of the things that
korato ragoro yomo yegabwiri tuko ya rero nkieke mubwate mbageni kyaba murabe mu gutwara somo yegoyo na boigo asobwagari na boigo na bokwaria ni bantu babere batatu baikira na somo yegoyo ase enchira ya bene yokwene kinga obeire gogo ikirana ase enchire elia yobikira na singe kwate banga nigekerenga boigo bwate nkelinga nogo ugosira abantu na boigo kwene kinga nkwira ni oroko boko asalia kwa bete boso asali urwete
lero ntubwate umuyega abuna nate baiga a society ya Sironga a foundation ere kurukurani amajandani foundation kuru Nakuru ekobwate na Dagras Oruto Isosa myself and other sponsors. We want to go to my book or wheelchairs, white canes, sabuni, and exercise books. As especially the vulnerable people in our community. You go now when you get in Baribaku to 10 week. Bagoja, Bass the level of disabilities. Of many people baranyare wojo egere bachkoros ya wheelchairs and other enabling disability enabling items kile customized egere chibakonya igo a function ye indobugatororo kuanza around 10:30 yowali baranyare goika you are welcome
asense melia yokurugusira asebalia babwate okugania ntamanyenga already mwabere mugo identify abantu murachi kugusira bose umuntu nabagocha amanya korigireri wamanya ko gugusira timatinga nakira konengana
this around the entire to answer bari bere registered aserero na bakorigireri
igore dimbaro bagochikurigireri wale
bakoyebwa bari batari registered bono abanyagitari na ribago chabachieke because yo maete disability tebwekai so bache bachieke kuna abanyagitari ega bone around yende ga to gocho anyorenga we are dealing now bago charero Ose bari bakwenda kweregister. Yes.
Okay, tutigete singana iyo kulimulekera anamo n'abantu bali ababwate obolema ao ekero kuri serikali chichi county nabo igo ase no botini debwense icho Kenya abantu bale no bolema ngwatiri chikondo batiri bagali abene asiri chiko babeire bakwegwa mabagali baboneta kweguse there is something usigende kementa okoro
tiranga aserega a constitution yaito ne bwate very comprehensive consideration as people with disabilities. Obviously, a women rep. We have created as a constitution mono to deal with the three interests: youths, women, and the people with disabilities. So, as a national government, so we have a women rep. A fund area. I want to do a provision for people with disabilities. And as well, a parliament area. But we are not very active in the legislations. I get a interest, Javan Dava could represent, Chibi Kwasama Chico. I get a space here, Ebengari, Yawakonya, people with disabilities. Because the law that I know, Neringa, Kale, Kenya Revenue Act, Nebugate provision, Yana certificate area disability, and you are not, maybe you are importing something, you are exempted. Now, say Meshara, if you have that certificate, to you can tax. But again, yokonyoranga ene information abantu abange babwate disabilities batamanyiti ane biasara akero okora as a disabled person obwate some degree of disability na ndo obwate certificate access nchirota iwakana lakini bona again ono bantu baito information ibona okonyora ntumanyiti aseba kokorera those registrations in Nairobi. Rio D is Westlands, not is here or Manyete. So again, don't get in. You see, like a Karoko represent a given group of people. This is the kind of information we are to the ground. You make arrangements around those certificates of exemption under the Care Act, under all of those laws. Again, I get about being able to compete effectively like normal people. Yes.
All right, ere buya kegima se oko wocho kolera ingambe mambia lero datura kwanera anemono igoro yechi serikali yechi county turamulekera serikali ye county ya Nyamira asengencho no okuru ingeke bwendete korwe igatia baraya bayirinda kwene kinga omomenyi bwe county ya Nyamira ngo chikonyorale amagendero nabo igo konyora obokoreri obya
again take Keringa kegokoro tigango leaders yawa bairane back to the people bari babachorete abate binge gas muangete ni gas ibuna muangete na bonko yekora iga ande na bonge andete ko yekora iga babe answerable to the people because archaeology event chinyingo go attend to ikuwendo unike ngoko igokora manango yomanye tanaje akora igabantu baramana igo lakini employee ori okoete gasi tori answerable to him egabana igebugene korosie sittings yokwere sabantu banyamiranga una muangete gasi this is what I'm doing senator bo GMC eboyiko egera abantu nari ba understanding you are working for them and bamanyenga onye to igokora wa uta igokora onye no oversight yote bengo boyimbora mbora egera abantu nari ba kumanya to ise gokora igo ari turakonye county lakini onye orenga no kuna koramana ega sio gokora onde tayo maete nkio gokora igenga buna bono togende as a function MCA tebenga ichena arosi para te pare na arosi mu weta omo senator yere tiganga toro tie para ya arosi dia abantu na otenga ya rotana korosi para
amaina
aseng'enjeringa mosenator yo tana kwenda asa abantu abatebie gasi yane neye ande scorecard yane neye nangendete gokora ne MCA boygo and all other elected leaders MP women rep once I think tokorekyo alibono turarenga oyo taigokora ogokora mbura because now information will be with the people. Yes.
Watching a Princess Eva watching live from Nyamatare gatia bande bande tkoto murobiri bwensake asemambi ya abono kwa biro kwaneranga omosene tangora ikali ground ora boligunga inki kwa kora inki kwa toretera mbale baba koro suggestion nga abasene tabayigo bayegweke ganja kiabo tima etinkira kwanerenga ne
ekeganja and the rest okay ekeganja maete bari go sabankiri ki oversight and as a viranga rebiane the kinkere necessary because oversight we go to a machinery job oversight the whole county is a big thing so I think nekeki bari go saba and they need it because as an individual na wogo tema but you need a backup yeah egero kole deliver your mandate
ere bu ya kigima asengenjo enseito ya Kenya kwa ebere ko kweligereria astobe twikira bono iga na boigo asengenjo bono tali ngato atebenga enganeye ne abantu gete bono enganeye ne ito twensi asengenjo okurobeka na bono ba gukoreire nga devolution bono ba ko tebirenga bono kurobeka na wito woni kwairu ba gutiro chingo machinti ndiko bwatika no kurobeka na bono inkyoro rabe go kuroba semi bwao ane mono igoro enganeye entertainment ya Kenya ikubwatika no kurobeka na kwa basaba kikolya genzi
na tuanzite na tebete ukorobekana kwa basaye watakonyi eko ere bintu mbire byabeire na ndibigo chigoba tari go chakoba onye batarobekana andi bakeorganize bia lakini unsemo noro batebunga umochaka no gwegento no yo maana sana lakini yoko era kwegento no kwa maana mono ase amangana ya agency baansi rubia lakini bono go ikabatuare a game plan how will it end rata batia torusio mo senator I mean torusie como a president a deputy pero montaende pero monte governor pero montaende a country eto will branch into anarchy. Onyorenga there are no systems, there are no structures. We will go the Somali way. Njia device ya nene. Bintumbi koba kuya in one city. To make changes chirichire necessary as bono. Lakini chikura chiyo ika 2027 abantu bamanya bachora the kind of leaders barataka totebe tuwarusirio mugabana tuwarusirio mo deputy tuwarusirio mo speaker ne county assembly because rekadi teyo IPC commissioners mbayo there is no way to atuare what you want to until we have commissioners. So what I would advise our young people getting to tuare end game plan to answer by the time slowly without killing critical structures in the constitution or crippling them. Chikura 2027 ingoja chile tochora abantu bali torata. Yes. Anya bono anya no kurikola MPs Baribata iko perform. I think IPC commissioners have to be there because IPC na ere kunarify. So now there we are being and do what I get, but there's nothing you can do because IPC commissioners are not there. So they have to move in stages, but in a very realistic and a systematic manner. Yeah.
Ere buya kigima asense moyende ababunge ntumaiti asibari ababunge mbaka igotokoranga bagwesokia bange babebisire timaitinga no nyanga baba bakora mangana yogwetie finance bill inkyora bego kubasemya ababunge abange bari tarara mbarara kana buya ntumaiti asibari.
I think ababunge I think finance period india ababeka saa komu lakini tibebisa tikabachega bakwanira abantu baba chorete the employers for example babatebiga epati yane na era roseti ya serikali ni agenda ya ringi ya serikali njino ana ari utakarende kinde serikali yeje as a ruling party ende nabona abete persuaded and prevailed ngaka buna na agete yes lakini rende nyabere abantu bakora amagoso nyabere egere aba na inji baba abere lakini bujibuzi bamanyenga umuntu bagotegerera no riyo bajorete.
Okay, ere ujakima naboigo mbose mikiora abe okubwatoka gochasi eserikali chakira abagabana naboigo umurai bwense anomono akiagira abasaba barobekana gochasi abisi abagabana naboigo chiabisi chi umurai bwense abose babere bakorobekana mamicho umurai bwense ngero gotebya anomono ochakira abagabana ingera ko basema
abagabana actually tigantebe general as abagabana because these are government and this also a government. Noko badebinga chinga kichya chenjiri chinga kichiri chiyarenge nga nje boss nje president nje MP nje ngokora bunantagete osebono kinde leader nenga kiyana yokoragira amangana yayiri wono abana inchi abatagete bago demand yobugambi obuya obugambi bora accountable. Otherwise, anything less than that, to survive. Lakini ate banga ila na asaba na inchi. Obere senki okorota ipungaineri. Egora ndege ntugende wana kia inchi promise chinyinge chini jitaikoba. Egere wamanyenga all leaders wamanyenga they are employees. Employer yabo mwana inchi. Nero bachorete and then nero kubaka. But the moment the employer go banga nere boss employer ende te kumut igonje bakore igona ende gazi abakore no kwegeno and they make it open and known to the people nga chiwesa chirega watu watumietega chiairire chiwesa itora akore ka sengenjo besa njira ba dispersed chiabete dispersed na chiatumegete biyai mwana njita kuboliswa. Yes.
Okay, ere buya kimatojo kora engambo yaite mambi ya wono taite bono bego kubwatuka abosemi abo mwali bose inkwana yawo mwelio nabo igo nango kwali bagali yabene obego kwani abantu babiri batatu kurwasi county Nyamira.
Okay. Nje point yendanga ningote baneringa this is a defining moment as a country eito. As a young people unabare tiri agenda nabo yari kuire miaka mingi korete agenda usiteja so abona bune agenda yachi nonya no yobwate birengererio byoborai bona nama etenga ekaronko ando borai yaiga ekina kimbwenete gokora enere litmus test igo tigato tumanyenga na kitokomenya with this new dispensation of accountability. Na se which was you ona bana inji tiga tochora barai tai kuringana nga no muiri ono goso no musani ono goso ne chibesa bwate tobachore kuringana na ability yabo yo gukora gasi totaite bakora n'abana inchi tiga totimandi results ntu akwata bambi chibesa cia CDF totebiana kuwatumi chipasa riechi totebi nga kiukuru nkireiteri kiuruwete abairi bao nekenyoro kiao yukokoro tworo kine kitumigete buya tuterast coin abana inchi tigabono tutenene kabisa tutimandi tumanyenga abana abantu tuarikira na tuaire gasi bagotokorera na se county yetu ya Nyamira tigatobe komokia na bokurigere na wane town ya Itari Nyamira aba umwana mbolinga kendenge na nabagani bagocha Nyamira function yo bagokora bacha kizi ya igana no kuliranje so mugaba noito agosoraire bekomokia improve the welfare ya Nyamira. There are many plans. There are many investors. Tema kuigora Nyamira ya ito to the outside world. Egera tonyore abantu bagora tachibesa bagaje chioteri chingia babeke chi factory and it is all over in the world. Each proposal joba each network egere gasi ya koreka. Nasa abasai employment nenko one of the demands abasai bakobeka neringa eserikali iri igeta abantu abange iye minute y'abantu mbaje babuto njase ekeboriegeke with the knowledge to bwate international exposure to bwate and the connections tigato teme konacha to practice entrepreneurship. Tiandu example. Tisanjira, tiandu example. Origererie tigato tebe Nyamira na Kisi. Amagena kuriegwa Nyamira na Kisi ngayakuru. Chimbori chikonye nyuga ega chipuche ne chipa chikuriegwa Nyamira na Kisi ngayichikorwa. Chingeni ngayichikorwa. So ebinebinto torakole because the demand is there. And it is very simple torakole. Unabono a program nere totaite wansa yoko empower our people on passion fruits. The demand ya passion fruits Kenya in the next 20 years they will get especially quality export quality area passion fruits. So tuanyole chi university chia Kenya na isiko chigo chiko tubuatsia tuanyole donors and tuanyole some well wishers ago chiko to certified seedlings. So tutaite gocha korana kitoko bwaterana manebio mbetoro CPOs because amatunda ya passion a kilo koni a kilo is 150 140 per kilo umotoyo bwe passion ka pako watoko nyoranga na gogo okorwa 500 kilos and okoyotonga na wana ase chai white igoro echai reze regoro. So it's a program we are working on, especially it will be targeting young people and people very beyond registered. So at the right time, God willingly, but we are working on that. It will change the economic narrative of our county. Yes. The market into water. We've looked for market. It is the market is too big and the value change. We have got people, even factories, some machinery, process right here in our county. These are some of the programs that we have put in place. Yes.
Mbia mono wakili asukira na studio Ndizi TV mambia bono tivali tukoria mwerio ntobe tokwenda gukwarigania obe gutarira bene nabo gutubika burungi ane mono asamangana aringete lichiko mwanche muriria Ndizi TV nigo twabe tugusanga no wakili Filemona Apiemi murara be sangana into amange ane mono igoro yeri chiko na boigo oboteneneri ase serikali chichi county be sangana into amange ayuma etenga arabega okonye no na ya sole obosokurwa sekerenge kamoika asekerengo kende tinko mwewa Frida yutato kubata nere kurwa sema bya lengentambe ongali bagali abene usanga no mugeno ito Abigail Nyancha manero ba kwenye chibichichi ubego na Mariogi abera wikera asenchera yobwekera no nimatenga ne weekend zakogenda bali abangi nimate bakurwa semere muri tukoliale na kwenda chinka cyabo twabe tukubaganira weekend ingia seba abali ba utimokali tukoliale ero mutwari jumengi yale tukuliankyo bali utimokaba asedini yege Adventist twabere tukubaganira esabato engia nabo igo bali ba utimokali tukulia Jumapili twabaganira ibada engia andonsi asemurabe mutware weekend engia mwerende buya tobe tukumirana lituko lya Jumatatu astorabe tugusanga amange boigo na uchaka wiki yo asenchira yabene nabaganirie oburiria obuya imya Ndizi TV na bwansu bumugusi.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
no mwana bw'ekishanga kya mitumba kirajya abana amu n'abantu tabanere na nigo tagitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabari entambe asago kireteire gisiri na munwa
Mama Tefi